Welcome back to VoiceBox, and this episode is all about TOEFL and IELTS.
They both test your ability to speak, write, read and listen in English.
The IELTS test was developed in England and it tests international English, and the TOEFL exam was developed in North America and it tests North American English. North American English and international English are very similar, but there are some differences. The accents sound different and some words are spelled differently.
So which one should you do? Well, it depends where you want to study and which school you want to go to. TOEFL is used mainly by American schools, but it is also accepted at some institutions in UK and Australia. I took TOEFL exam once. It took a lot of time and work, but it was worth it.
But if you want to study in, for example, Australia or England or Canada or South Africa, New Zealand, then you probably have to do an IELTS exam because the TOEFL exam isn't accepted in many of those universities. But on the other hand, the IELTS exam is accepted in many universities in North America. It's a little bit confusing, but the best way to do it is to find out which university you want to study and in which country, and then ask them what test you have to do.
There are a lot of schools in UB which offer preparation courses for IELTS and TOEFL.
The school that I work at is called the ESP Foundation. You might see the little ESP logo at the bottom of the screen there. It stands for English for Special Purposes Foundation, and a lot of students around Mongolia go to the ESP Foundation to prepare for their IELTS exam.
So let's have a look around the school and see if we can get some tips for getting a better IELTS score.
Sweet, let's go.